Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play one call away on piano. We will begin by mastering the 4 essential chords: G major, D major, E minor, and C major. These chords form the foundation of the entire song. Focus on correct finger placement for each, ensuring a clear sound. Practice transitioning between them slowly, aiming for seamless movement. This initial step is crucial for building a strong musical base. Next, let's tackle the right hand melody. This is where the recognizable tune comes to life. Pay close attention to the specific notes and their rhythmic values. Start by playing the melody at a very slow pace, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, to ensure accuracy. Once you are comfortable, gradually increase your speed. Consistent practice will help you achieve a smooth and expressive melody. Now, we'll introduce the left hand accompaniment, which provides the harmonic depth. Your left hand will play the root notes of the chords, creating a steady bassline. Focus on maintaining a consistent rhythm, perhaps a simple quarter note pattern. The key here is to synchronize your left hand with your right hand. Practice each hand separately, then slowly bring them together to ensure perfect coordination and a rich, full sound. Finally, it's time to combine both hands and play the entire piece. Start slowly, ensuring each note and chord is accurate. Using a metronome is highly recommended to develop a consistent tempo, perhaps starting at 80 beats per minute. As you gain confidence, begin to incorporate dynamics, playing some sections softer and others louder. This will add emotion and make your performance truly musical and engaging.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.